Alright guys, so we're gonna be having a review of our JOJEN. I don't know what's this. It's a professional fog machine and we're gonna be opening it, okay? So what we have here. Alright guys, so we're gonna be unboxing this JOJEN fog machine. And of course, what we have in the package is just plastics, and we have this wired controller wherein you want to control it using a wired control. And then we also have here is the main fog machine itself. So let me remove it from the box. And as we could see here, we have is the fog machine itself. And let me just close this box. So this is the fog machine itself. So as you could see guys, this is the nozzle, and here at the side is just the brand, and here as you could see the level of the fog juice where you place it here. This is the reservoir, and here is our fuse, and at the back we also have this power button and have this XLR input to control this fog machine. So what we see in here is that there are instructions which tells us about the warning and things like that. So let me focus it over there, and as you can see, the first warning is disconnect power before charging, before changing fuse, no use of serviceable parts, supervision, do not operate without liquid. So you can see there's instruction. Check that there is 3/4 fluid in a container. Check the mains power select connection for the machine. Press the main switch on the rear of the machine. Press the stand bottom of the power machine. 45 minutes before this could be operated. Okay, so we're gonna be trying to test this out, and we'll see how much fog does this create. So let me do it, guys. So I forgot to tell that we have a wireless pack so that we could use this remote control over here to control this fog machine. So let me demonstrate to you guys how you could mix the water. So to open the bay over here, you just remove this first, and here this is the what they call the pipe, wherein they said that you should drain all the fog juice. Alright, so here, so the first thing that you would put in a fog juice is you need to add some water. Alright, so this is the fog juice, and of course I'm gonna be putting distilled water or any clean water so that it is not thoroughly fog juice. Here you go. Let's put it another one. There you go. And we're gonna be mixing a little bit of fog juice, because they say you should not put fog juice at all. Not really, not at all, but you should not put just fog juice alone, because it will create too much fog, and it is bad because the pictures on an event may not be seen clearly. So we'll just pour a little bit, and as you can see, I mean, it's like 20% of this fog. I'm gonna be shaking it out. Just pour a little bit of fog juice like that, and then after pouring just a little bit of fog juice, next thing you should do is you're gonna be shaking the bottle. So let me close it completely. This is just a fog juice from its brand, and then we're gonna be shaking off the bottle. Okay, so I don't have a cover, so I'm gonna be shaking it. Shake it thoroughly so that the two would mix completely. So after mixing it, I'm just putting a little bit. So we will now be closing it here. We're gonna be putting it on the container. There, I'll be putting it in the container. make sure to close it. There you go. Then we'll just need to plug this and we're good to go. So before that, I would recommend that you put this wireless receiver here and then put it at this where things wouldn't get hot easily, like this part. Then we would turn this on later on, okay? Or I could put it here, wherever you wanted this receiver to be. And let's power it on the next video. Let's check how this performs. Thing that you should not forget is to turn this on. And we're gonna be waiting for the heater to pump. Alright. So to check if it's already working, try this. It would not work because it would work after 4 to 5 minutes, okay? Alright, so it's now blasting again. So then maybe just need to pulse it. Just do like this, not continuously like that because it might overheat our fuse.